Working toward Viparita Dandasana, Wang is going to start to make his wheel shape, so he takes his arms overhead. All right, and then from this position, keeping the inner thighs engaged in the legs, he pushes the floor away and comes up. He'll slide one elbow toward the floor, hand behind his head, and then the other elbow. Now, I've slid this mat folded up here to help support him because he can't get his elbows to the floor yet. So, of course, outside of this pose, we're going to do more of those openers for the shoulders. But for now, it's nice to have a little prop there, and then we can fold the mat lower and lower as we go and open up the shoulders. Once again, inner thighs are hugging to the midline. There's a feeling of the chest moving away from the hips to lengthen the low back and further open the shoulders. Struggle's real, my friend. Good work.